Right guys, so sorry for my camera angle, but this is the easiest way on how I could teach you the tutorial on how to create your own basic, not really basic, but your own advanced lighting. So for me, so if you haven't watched the basics of DMX lighting, you could check out my channel and see how you control the lights in the basic and how you patch them and how you set the address on each fixtures or lights. So for me, so I have already programs set on my, so this is bank 1, so this is how you select your banks, like selecting numbers. I already have pre-made programs on each of the banks, so as you can see those programs, there's already inside of it. So when you play just a basic program, see, it's just like moving like that. 1, 2, okay, 1, okay, so I already have programs on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so I already have programs, and all these banks have programs. So bank 3 has a program. So I'm gonna be teaching the tutorial on how to create your own program. So there's already a program in some of my banks. So before you go to your programming, you need to first find a bank where there are no program scenes. So this, I don't have program scenes on this, so I press scene 1, so this has programs, not just like that, so this has programs. Alright, so the bank 1, so you see bank 12 has nothing in it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be holding on this program and see that blinking light. So there is this blinking light. This means you're already in program mode. But when you escape program mode, you would go to blackout and just press blackout again to go to your normal mode. But when you enter program mode, there is this blinking light. Okay, so you're gonna be going to bank 12 where there is nothing. 13, it has nothing too. There's nothing on the scenes, like a program per program scene. Okay, so the next thing that you're gonna do, so to make your own a very good lighting show, so let me focus the light here so that you could see this controller, as later on you would not see it when we tried to program this. Okay, alright, so in our controller, so you might not see the step time, so let me just adjust my light. Okay, so let me just adjust it here. Okay, let me just sit over there. Okay. So as you can see, that's 112, right? So the first thing that you should do, gonna be selecting this on scanner number 1. So I'm gonna be increasing the intensity, and let's make it color red. So that would be going to color red. So what would be the next color to red? It is green, right? So to have a colorful rainbow, we need to go to channel 2, and we'll just increase the intensity, go to the red, and make it color orange, not green but orange. So the next thing that you should do, so let me just decrease the light, as you might not see the light over there. So let me just focus a little bit of light on my controller so that you would see my controller even though that's bright. So the next thing that you should do is go to your next color, could be fixture number 3. So let's increase the intensity of fixture number 3, and then let's decrease this red channel, because our next color would be orange. And then what is the next color to orange? Is that green? Okay, or is that yellow green? Or maybe we should just make it green, or maybe we could make it green or light green, I don't know. It depends on what you want. So for me, I would like it green, but not blue yet. So let's make it, must it be orange or green? Yeah, let's make it green. So I don't know if you see it on the camera. Let me just decrease its overall sensitivity. So let me just increase that. So that would be green. Okay, so the next fixture should be number 4. So see the intensity, then blue. There's this blue channel, but you could make a yellow-blue channel, depends on your taste. So for me, I'll make a yellow-blue channel. I hope you're seeing it. So number 5, this is the 5th channel would be blue. All right. I hope I would not be having problems in programming this later. So our 6 light, we just increase number 1, and then so I think I would make this already pink or maybe violet, depends. Yep. Let's make it violet before it turns to red. Make it violet. Yep, violet. Violent reaction, just kidding. So that's how you program light on number 6. And the 7th channel is, I don't know, maybe I would make this color red totally. There you go. So from that you would press add once and press scene 1. Make sure the light blinks, so 2 is empty channel and 1 has all our programs. So I'm not selecting any scanners, but it's already saved. So the next color is the first fixture should go to the second fixture. So to do that is we're gonna be pressing scanner number 2, and that should go color red. So let me decrease all the channels in the second fixture, and let's make it color red. And then the next fixture would go color orange, right? So make sure that it's orange. So let me just increase this, so which color makes it orange. There you go, so that's orange already. I think that's orange. For me it looks orange, but I don't know to you guys. But it looks like it's orange. Let me just increase it a little bit. It's this. There you go, it's a little bit orange. There you go, so it's orange now. For our next 4th, so this would be color green. Just need to follow the colors. So just green. And then go to number 5. So that should be color. Should go color light blue. Yeah, you could go light blue or full blue. Depends on your taste. There. Number 6 would be blue. Just repeat these steps and just let the fixture move. So